In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to place limited tags to baggage in Obama's DCS. We are going to use a passenger named Ferrari Oliver in this example. Mr. Oliver has come to the counter and you want to print limited tags for his baggage. So, search and select him from the passenger list. He has 3 bags with a total baggage weight of 15 kilograms. You want to print limited tags for 2 of his bags. If you click on the wrench icon located in the baggage weight field, you can specify the limited tag for each bag separately. For instance, select Fragile as the first tag limit. The second tag has no limit, so skip it. Select Packing Inadequate as the third tag limit, and press the Submit button. Select a seat from the seat map and press the check-in button. Your passenger is now checked, and 2 of his bags have limited tags. As limited tags look different from normal tags, they could easily be distinguished. Meanwhile, if you want to find out which bags with which numbers have limited tags, you just need to click on the bag's information through the Bag tab. In the Edit Baggage window, you can observe that the first tag is limited as Fragile and the third tag is limited as Packing Inadequate. If you wish to see the passengers who have limited tags in the flight, you can activate the filter tabs using the filter button, which is located on the top page menu. Select Limited through the Bag Tags menu. As you can see, 2 passengers who have limited tags are read out. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for your attention.